Hey Facebook, I thought, hey, I'm gonna make lunch. Why not make it together? So I had already made a little something that's my fall fruit and half a protein. So I'm gonna make a chicken avocado salad, but I don't have chicken, I have turkey, which pretty much the same thing. So let's make lunch. I have nothing put together. I just thought, hey, we can make it together since we're all home. So I have some cooked turkey, some leftover turkey, and I have some avocados that need to be eaten. And then I get a fat and half a protein because the other thing I made has all my fruit. And I think I might use some sugar-free barbecue sauce and make like a barbecue avocado salad. That sounds really good. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna grab my avocado and let's just start cooking. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I didn't really plan this out. I just thought, let's just put something together. So we got our bowl, and I think I'm gonna do my turkey cold because I think that'll taste really good instead of having hot avocado turkey salad. All right, so here's some leftover turkey. So I got to turn my scale on. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 ounces of turkey because that'll be half my protein. So let's do this. And I'm gonna kind of shred it. Do it really good with one hand. All right, so I want 2 ounces. Let's see. I think I'm just gonna get it to 2 ounces, then I'll shred it. 2.1, 2. Okay, then I'm gonna just break it up. And then I'm gonna add a bunch of vegetables to this. Some cucumber and carrots and some sweet peppers. I have some green onions, that's always yummy. And then I'm gonna use, instead of using mayo, I'm gonna use the avocado and kind of mush it up. And then the sugar-free barbecue sauce. I just found it at my local Walmart. Somebody had posted on Facebook some sugar-free barbecue sauces, and this Stubbs was one of them. And I really missed barbecue sauce, so this is really fun to have barbecue sauce again. It's so good. That's like finding ketchup. I have not found a sugar-free ketchup yet. So if any of you have a sugar-free ketchup that's BLE compliant, let me know, because that would be really nice to find again. All right, so 2 ounces. Now I'm gonna cut my avocado. And then, because usually 2 ounces avocado is about half an avocado, then I'm gonna put my other half of the avocado in the freezer for later. Then it won't turn brown and turn yucky. All right, so I'm gonna, let's see if I can set this down. Yes, the salt shaker's holding you up. All right, so I'm gonna cut my avocado in half. Zero my scale. What are all of you having for lunch? Or if you already had lunch, because I have my lunch kind of late. Just squeeze it onto there. And I think I might add a splash of lemon juice, because that might be really yummy with this. Right, we're at 1.5 ounces. 2, perfect. All right, now I'm gonna grab some vegetables and wipe my hand off real quick. Radishes. How about some broccoli? And lemon juice. Okay, so I got some lemon juice. I got broccoli, green onion, cucumber, some radishes. I'm gonna wash them. My favorite thing to wash my vegetables in is I have 2 bowls on my counter. One is full of vinegar, because that kills germs. And then one is full of water, which is not my sink water, because I don't like fluoride. So I get some I buy my water, big gallon jugs, and then I rinse it in there. So I'm gonna soak some of my vegetables. It is surprising how dirty vegetables really are. So after a while, you gotta change out your vinegar water because it gets pretty nasty. All right, I'm gonna do about 2 green onions, 2 radishes. I have these little mini cucumbers that I get at Aldi's. They're my favorite. And thankfully, with everybody binge shopping and stuff, usually vegetables, people don't binge buy those or panic buy those. It's usually all the frozen like pizzas and junk food. So win for us. I'm gonna wash some peppers. 2 little mini sweet peppers. You can find these at Walmart or Aldi's too. Wash these off. All right, I'm going to start with my cucumber. I like to go it in 4 like that. Then when you chop it, it's already small pieces. So I'm going to do just a total of 6 ounces. Just kind of keep adding of each one to it till I get to 6. Do my green onion. I've seen, and I've done this before, you can take a scissors and cut your green onion. Then you can cut it right into your bowl. It's kind of fun. All right, then I'm going to wash my broccoli. Somebody said that they like to roast radishes. Oh my goodness. Roasted radishes are delicious. It kind of reminded me of potatoes a little bit when you roast potatoes. I think I'm going to make these smaller. 2, I'm going to do 1 more. Okay, we're at about 2.6 ounces. So let's add some peppers. I saw a post on Facebook, this was not Blee food, but I'm trying to make it, where it's this, you whip coffee, but you have to whip it with sugar, and I don't want to do that. So I tried mashing banana, and it's supposed to be with instant coffee, and I didn't have instant coffee, so I'm going to try to make this work somehow. I'm going to figure it out, because I like coffee, and I liked whipped coffee, and I like parfaits, so it's always fun. That's what I've been working on lately with this stay-at-home mandate. We're at 3.7 ounces, so let's add some broccoli. .9, maybe 1 more cut of cucumber, and we'll be at 6. 6. Okay. I'm gonna wipe my hands off. Now let's mash this up. I'm gonna get a fork. Before we mash it, let's add our barbecue sauce. So it says a serving size is about 2 tablespoons, so I do like 1 ounce, and I just kind of pretend that's 2 tablespoons. Because I'm not sure. Do you do 2 ounces with barbecue sauce and just act like it's a condiment, or do you go by the serving size on it? So I've just been going with 1 ounce. Then I'm going to add a splash of lemon juice. And then I'm going to take some salt. Ooh, I'm going to get some everything but the bagel seasoning. Put some of that on there. That's always really good. Alright, let's mash this up and see what we get. Hi, Aunt Patty. Thank you. What are you having for lunch? Or what did you have for lunch? Okay, so this is what we got so far. That looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna add a pinch of parsley and maybe a pinch of basil. So let me grab that. Okay, pinch of basil. A pinch of parsley, and we'll mix that in. All right, so here's the real test. Let's taste it. Gotta get a little bit of everything in there. That barbecue sauce is good in there. I didn't know how the barbecue sauce was gonna be, but it's really good, especially the barbecue sauce with the lemon, but it's really good. So there's my lunch. Ooh, 2 eggs on a waffle. That sounds delicious. I like to do, I've made crepes with eggs. You just do an egg, scramble it, and then you just kind of tilt your pan a lot to make it really, really, really thin. And then you could put fruit in it. That's really good. But waffles are always really good. Well, there's my lunch. I'm probably going to have a black coffee on the side. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you're having for lunch, or maybe give me some ideas for lunch, because with this being at home, it's always fun to experiment. I've been experimenting a lot lately, and it's really fun. Love you guys. With joy, Natalie.